Hello students, good morning. Dear students, we are going to see now grammar, standard 5th, chapter 2, word study. Chapter 2, word study. Let us see what is word study. First, a synonym is a word having similar meaning to another word. That means there is a word which has got similar meaning, okay, but the word is different. A synonym means same, okay, it's a word having similar meaning to another word. That means two words are there, okay, meaning is same but the words are different. Let us see the example. Begin means commence or start, okay, commence or start. Second, eat means consume or ingest, okay, ingest, that means we consume or we eat, we put it in a stomach. Third, costly, the another meaning for costly is dear and expensive, okay. So dear students, the meaning is same but the words are different. Second, an antonym is a word opposite in the meaning to another word, that is finish, okay. Another what is the antonym for the finish? Start or begin. Enter, exist. Enrich, impoverish, okay, that means the opposite word. Next, homonym is a word of the same spelling or sound as another but of a different meaning. That means there are two same words but that has got two different meaning. Now synonym, we have seen different words but same meaning. Here same words but different meanings. So past tense of see, an instrument to cut wood out, okay. So the meanings is same but the word is same but the meaning are different. Bark, outer covering of the trunk of a tree and sound of a dog, that means the words are same but the meaning is different. Right, opposite of left and not wrong or correct, that is called right. Fourth, a homophone is a word of the same sound but a different spelling and different meaning. That means homophone, okay, those when we pronounce the word that it sounds same but the two words have got different spellings and different meaning. Tail, okay, tail, this is the tail of a dog and this tail is story. Second, wait means stop and weight means our weight, okay, whether we are slim or fat. Write is to write with the hand, with the pen, and right means correct, okay. So the sound same but the spellings and meanings are different. So here are the some examples. I will just read out few, rest all you have to read it. Homonyms and meaning. Ad, short for advertisement, and ad means short for addition, calculate the total of. Next, affect means change and effect means result. Heir, stuff we breathe, hair, one who will inherit. Easel, walkway, isle, island. Allowed, permitted, allowed in a voice. So 5 I have read for you, rest all you will read. Here are some of the examples, okay, they have given. You have to just go through it and remember, keep in your mind. We will move to the last page, okay, we'll move to the last page. Homonym meaning sole, only the lower part of a foot or a shoe. Soul, immortal part of a person, soul, that means a spirit which is in us. Some, a few, sum, result of addition. Sun, male child, sun, heavenly body, mass of hot gases. Stationary, not moving, stationary, writing paper, pens, paper, etc. Still, take unlawfully, still, iron, alloy. Okay, so here are the some examples. We will move to the exercise number 2. Write a synonym for the following words. Synonyms, that means same words. Sorry, whole, happily, unfair, remove, plenty, commotion, adorn. Okay, here are some words. Then give a word which is the antonym of the each of the following words. Begin, bought, reject, agreed, eldest, lent, aunt, narrow, link, and so on. Third, supply another word which is similar in sound, in or in spelling, or both of the following. Next, write, to, eight, whole, tail, new, bean, hard, sue, where, wet, one, sim, pen, quite, so. So we have seen the words, synonyms, antonyms, and the similar in sound. So dear students, you will go through this whole lesson, read each and every word, understand the meaning, understand the same sounds, and understand the antonyms, okay, opposite words. So you will read this and you will practice. Thank you.